Governors of Kisii and Nyamira respectively meet within the next 21 days to discuss how to maintain, not to restore because the order is already there, to maintain order and rule of law at Keroka town. In the meantime, also, the two county commanders to also meet and agree on a formula to be applied to offer security to the traders at Keroka town. The respective revenue collectors to also continue collecting revenue on their respective jurisdiction. Is that agreeable to all of you? Yes. I can see the people of Nyamira looking. Can I hear from the people of Kisii? No, I'm not allowing you to say. Mr. Morala, is that agreeable that the revenue collectors continue collecting revenue in their respective jurisdictions? Agreeable. Yes. And then the two commanders meet and agree on how to maintain. If they agree that they'll be sending their troops at 6, and then at around 10, when there is camp or everybody has settled, they'll go back. If that's what they will agree. If there will also be need for them to be patrolling around during the day, then let them do it. But what I know is that the people of the Abagusi community can work peacefully even without supervision. That bit I know. I've lived in Nyamira, in Kisii long enough to study and understand the Abagusi community. And I know they are very, very hard workers. And when they mean to do something, they do it. Then the other thing is that the two governors meet within the next 21 days. Then the other thing is that the respondents who have not responded to the application dated 3rd March 2024 will do so within the next 21 days also? Yes.
I think that one will be sufficient. Yes.
So next mention
Yes, we should mention to know whether they have reached any settlement.
Yes.
Then if not, then we'll see on how to proceed on that.
Exactly. Yes. So we take a mention date within the next after 21 days.
After 21 days.
Yes. I'm ready, Mr. Sangweni. I'm ready even to take a whole day today over this matter. Because I told you one life in Keroka, or one business in Keroka. It's very, very important to all of us. Give me my date after 21 days.
30th of April.
Is that 30th of April agreeable to you, ladies and gentlemen?
Yes, that's convenient on our part.
Your Lordship, if it's possible, you have met him today in his office. I'll talk to him, but again, we give ourselves 2-3 weeks. I'm sure that we can be able to.
You go and agree on a date you can meet.
Yes.
I know most of you visit Nairobi almost every day. You have homes there. I would propose that you meet outside this place so that your followers don't follow you and start hating you and heckling the other. You meet like these eminent cases who met in Nairobi. Was it at Nairobi in 2014 and came up with this solution? Learn now to act and 2-3 weeks. But today utaenda kwa gavana. Na naomba mashabiki wetu tafadhali, our voters tusiwafuate. hawa ni waheshimiwa, because unaona wafuasi wa mheshimiwa Arati wakionekana pale wanaenda hivi wanaimba nyimbo ama hata kama hata kuonekana huko nao wale watafikiria ni vita. So tukae tu wengine mbali, hata mkubwa aende aone mkubwa mwenzake, wakunywe chai.
Whatever the orders that the board to be were given last time in the judgment, but the police enforced that as the two governors meet, but the police enforced those are unfortunate incidents, Your Honor. In the last Sunday when there were skirmishes in the town, and actually police officers from the neighboring police stations, they almost shot at each other. So there's also that confusion.
Police officers?
Yes.
Accidentally or
intentionally, Your Honor. But maybe if you give us guidance, maybe you can either direct either the police commander for Emira or the police commander for Kisii to enforce the orders as they are in the judgment.
I've always done so. Mr. Marada, did you take offense when I talked about the issue of ambulance?
I don't take offense.
You do not?
I do not.
Yes, you remember I said that, that even if His Excellency supplies the ambulance to the people of Muranga, or in Nakuru or wherever, it does no harm. And nobody should take that to be incentive. So, Mr. Posota,
I was just trying to find the code.
I said when I was delivering this judgment, and I repeat it, that the Ababusi community is a very united community, very, very united. And maybe this is one of the few instances where they have fought one another. They shoot it. So, as I give directions, Your Excellency, I want you to sit down with your colleague and get even some small team of experts from counties. Sit down. Go and address the people at Keroka to tell them, fanyeni biashara vile mmekuwa mkifanya, na kila mtu you allow everybody to collect revenue where they are supposed to collect. Should anybody appeal and succeed on appeal against the judgment appeal, fine, the situation may change. But you are there, the experts came and mapped the boundaries. And Mr. Ojinka asked for a stay of execution of those orders. I told you, if I stay those orders, then it will mean that nobody knows where the boundary is. So let's have them. Even if my orders will be upset by the Court of Appeal, for the time being, let's observe those boundaries and we allow our people to do business in peace. Because at the end of the day, if we do not allow them to do business and take bread at home, then they'll come to you begging.
Did make an application to this court?
I've seen the application.
Yes.
And the application is for leave to institute contempt proceedings. Correct?
We did not ask for leave.
Yes.
But we have just put in application for contempt proceedings against His Excellency the Governor for Arati for Kisii County and the Acting County Secretary, Mr. Robert Umbasa.
Where is the substantive county secretary? The county secretary who used to be here is the one now in Kisii.
I think he is no longer the county secretary of Kisii County. I think that is why they appointed an acting secretary.
So, where is the acting county secretary? Here. We are interested in sanity at Keroka. Okay? And that's why I told you, let's now look at the matter as Kenyan citizens. And see, you know, those of us, many people in Nyaribo, when they are going to Kisii, they say they are going to town. And Mr. Your Excellency, you agree with me. The prince that I Nyambira County.